Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Mama Bear's Homestead and More. On today's episode of what in the world is Poppy Bear going to get into? Well, unfortunately guys, we wrecked hay, not yesterday, the day before. We got rain, half-inch of rain overnight. Never really got any good drying weather yesterday. I went and checked the hay today and the top's dried out, so we're going to take the Oliver rake back over there, 107, and just flip that windrow over. That way the bottom can dry out and we'll be in a lot better place. You know, I didn't really want the rain at all, but you know, that's out of my control, so there's no need to worry about it. We'll make what we can and go on. But yeah, let's go flip this hay over. And deal with this is I don't want to rake all the way across. I want to hit that windrow about right here, so it just flips it over. You guys will see when I get over there what I'm trying to say. But I thought about going to get a tedder, but I'm like, yeah, I just don't have enough hay to worry about trying to ted it back out and then get it dried out. I think this will work. So all right, well, let's get after it, guys. All right guys, we're gonna let our rake down. Okay, we gotta put the gearbox in gear. Yep, we're in gear. See, it's catching. Alright, I think, let's just get a look at this. So I got my front tire to that side of the windrow, and I think that's gonna be too much, but we're gonna try. See what it does. Getting this lighter stuff and lower the rake, but that's working like I want it to. guys, we got done with flipping that hay over, and we're gonna go ahead and leave this all hooked up just to see. I may need to go back and flip it one more time before we bale it, so I'm gonna leave this hooked up. I'll go back up there in an hour or two, check, make sure that hay's dried, see where we're at. But I'd really like to get this baled up today, but we'll see. As always, my friends, keep on keeping on, because we love every single one of you, and Jesus Christ does too.